What is happening, boys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have got £10,000 of Stone Island stock to go through and unbox with you. This is Clobber Island. My name's Tyler. Make sure you hit subscribe for more content coming up. Let's have a little look, see what we got. Let's go. So as I say, we spent £10,000 on this Stone Island restock. I'm really excited to see what we've got. Let's start with one of the bags in the middle. There's a lot of bags here, boys. We'll get through it as quickly as we can. So in the first bag, we have got, obviously I sort of know roughly what I bought. I'm gonna forget the sizes and stuff like that. But yeah, we got some brand new tags here, Stone Island jogging bottoms. These ones are 3XL. We're getting a lot more bigger boy sizes in right now. There's a lot of 3XL on the website. If you want to go check that out, it's at ClobberIsland.co.uk. We sell stock for about half the price of retail. Brand new, pre-loved is obviously cheaper than that. So yeah, make sure you go hit it up, have a little look, see if you're interested in anything. And then we got some more 3XL. These are like duck egg blue Stone Island joggers. Up next, we've got this Ghost. This is like a wool knit khaki. Very, very nice, very soft. Cotton polyamide. Cotton and polyamide. That is beautiful. Look at that, boys. This is 2XL. 2XL khaki Ghost. Beautiful for the weather that we got coming in lovely, sunny UK. As you know, it's started to get cold already. A nice grey, lightweight jumper there. This jumper here is a 3XL as well. So as I say, getting some nice, bigger sizes in right now. So we've got three 3XLs, one 2XL so far. Up next, we've got this garment dyed crinkle reps bomber jacket. This is in green and it's a size XL. Then we got this garment dyed crinkle reps jacket in this rose red / pink. And this one is in a 3XL, the ultimate windbreaker or the membrana. What do you think? Is it the garment dyed crinkle reps or is it the membrana? I think they're both absolutely amazing personally. Then we've got this lovely lightweight pink Stone Island jumper, XL, like a lightweight knitted jumper. And then we've got this beautiful cotton green smock. These fit nice and big. So as this one is a XL, what I do is I would suggest to people size down in these. If you're a 2XL, grab an XL, etc, etc. Up next, we've got this really nice, simple design Stone Island white t-shirt. It's also got like the green design on the back there. That's really nice, that is nice and smart. Simple, my kind of t-shirt. And this one again is a 3XL. So all of this stuff will be going on the website. So make sure you go check it out, ClobberIsland.co.uk. Then we got this petrol green. Look at the colour on that. That is one of my favourite colours that Stone Island make. Not sure if you can quite see that. Petrol green it is, nylon overshirt, and it is a large. Absolutely gorgeous. There's so much stock here, man. This is mad. Okay, then we have got this Cupro Cotton Twill TC half smock. So if you can see, this stops about there, halfway through. You've got buttons that pop it up. Are they poppers? Poppers that go there, and then some buttons. It's got the hood as well. It's the Cupro cotton material. Really, really smart. And that one's a size large. Again, no, it looks quite big. So potentially, if you're an XL, probably alright. Stone Island Ghost Oventile piece. This one's a beige, like an overcoat style jacket. And this one is in a size 2XL. And then we got a hyperdense nylon Rasso, lovely windbreaker type jacket, or like a trench coat. I'd say it's more like a field and utility type jacket. And this one is in a size extra large. They've got a nice tuck away hood in there as well. So you just pop that out, nylon hood comes out. Does the job when it's raining. Then we got this sort of cherry red, sort of pinkish overshirt, 2XL on that one. Really smart if you're going down the pub or whatnot. Perfect overshirt. We've got another petrol green nylon overshirt. That one's a large as well. Got a couple of them in stock now. Up next, we've got a membrana, and this one is a 3LTC. It's got the zip away hood there as well, and it's a longer length one. So it's like a 3/4 length jacket. Really, really good for when it's raining. And that one's an XL as well. Loads and loads of XLs in at the moment, which is very good because most of my customer base are XL, 2XL, 3XL. Got some large customers, and we've been getting some mediums now. Funny, because I used to get mediums in a lot. It never really sold that much. But lately I've been getting a lot of customers asking for mediums, so I'm trying to get some more mediums in. Is there any particular size you're after? Just put it in the comments. I used to get some smalls in, but they never sold really. Medium and small are hard to sell as a reseller. So yeah, let me know. So up next, we've got the Stone Island Shadow Project Trucker Jacket, and it is a Catone Canapa Placato. Really, really nice. Sort of reminds me of like a denim style jacket. Really, really like tough material. Really nice. Definitely look nice over a white t-shirt or something like that. On to the next bag now. Up next, we have got 33 waist nylon orangey gold Stone Island cargos. 33 waist on them as well. I can see them selling quite quick. I have a lot of customers that ask me about nylon cargos, but normally they want them in 33, 34, so hopefully they will sell. Then we've got Stone Island Hyperdense Nylon Rasso in dark beige. We've had a few of these in lately, and they are really popular. And this one is in the size medium. So this one will be for the medium boys. These do come up a tad big though. So I'd say if you're like a bigger medium, perfect fit, or if you're a smaller large, probably a perfect fit. I'll have to do the pit to pit measurement, which will be on my website. So with Stone Island, make sure you're always checking the pit to pit measurement, because you can literally get stuff that's large that fits someone that's like XL, and you can get stuff that's medium that will fit like a large. It's just completely different. So make sure you're checking the pit to pit measurement. That's what you go by and buy in Stone Island. It's the best way to work out what will fit you. Up next, we've got the regenerated nylon gilet in this lovely green color, like greeny mint color. Very, very nice. Love these nylon gilets. And this one's a 3XL as well. The big boys are getting the stock of dreams today. Absolutely beautiful. Then we got a couple of these hyper dense nylon rassos. I can't get enough of these. These are absolute beauties. This one's in a light beige color. Obviously, let's say with a tuck away hood there as well. And it's a size 2XL, that one. Another one here. This one's a size XL. So we've got beige in 2XL and XL. The website's going to be absolutely stacked with over 200 items on there right now. If you haven't seen us before, make sure you go check the website out. There's so much stock there. There'll be something for you. Then we got some Bermuda nylon goldy yellow shorts. And these ones are a 30 waist, but they've got some stretch on there. I think they'll fit up to a 32 waist very, very easily. Some dark beige green khaki cargos, the straight leg cargos. These are 34 regular fit. Up next, we've got a Membrana. It's a smart one without the hood in a lovely beige color. And this one is size large. These fit really, really nice. I'm gonna quickly just bang this on. This one's a large, which is my size. As you can see, it's a smart fit. They're really nice. I could wear a hoodie under this if I wanted to, or I could just wear it exactly as it is. Might not wear it with this color jeans though. I'd have to wear it black or something like that. But yeah, absolute class. Up next, we've got another hyper dense nylon rasso in dark beige. This one's a size large, so I'm going to quickly just show you the sizing on these as well. So this is my size. I wear size large jackets. As you can see, this does fit a tad big. I think they come in at about 24 pit to pit for the largest. The XLs are about 25.5. So obviously that is quite big. But yeah, there's space in there. Everyone's wear a jumper underneath, the hoodie, which to be honest, you know, nowadays with the baggy fashion, nowadays people like to wear baggier clothes anyway. So that'll probably fit right in the criteria of what people are looking for. Up next, we've got the garment dyed crinkle reps. This one's in a mint green color. Nice bomber smart jacket. And that one's a size large as well. I think these do fit very, very nice. I'm not going to go through and show the fit on every jacket. If you guys do want to see me like modeling jackets and stuff like that, let me know in the comments. Like, do you want me to do like reviews of certain jackets and that? Up next, we've got another cotton smock. And this one is in a beautiful, vibrant purple color. They're really nice. Obviously, you've got the toggle on the back there to tighten it up around your neck. XL, that one. So again, I would say probably fit a 2XL, or it'll fit big as an XL. It's completely up to you. Smocks do fit however you want them to fit. They do fit big though, just a little warning, they do fit big. Up next, we got the hand stitched. I've had a few of these in before. It's a hand stitched Stony logo on the front in this lovely orange color. That is beautiful. Soft cotton as well. Feels very, very nice. And that was in an extra large. Yeah, that's well nice. I love that. I love something a little bit different from the normal Stony stuff. As a collector, as you start to get more and more pieces, you just start to branch out into different types of Stony pieces, don't you? Next, we have got the, oh, these are sick, mint green soft shell. What do you think of the color on that, boys? Absolute beautiful color on that. And this one is in a 3XL again. So the big boys are absolutely smashing it in this stock drop. I hope you boys enjoy the stock. It's hard to get hold of 3XL stuff all the time, so we've got some good stuff in right now. Up next, we have got another mint green Supima cotton twill jacket. These are like all-round weather jackets. You can wear it any time of the year. And again, it's a 3XL. I knew I had some good 3XL stuff coming, but I forgot about it was like how much of it was. Look at that, the color. Can I show you the color with the light? Up next, we got another, looks like a soft shell. And this one is coming in at a size extra large, that one. A lovely XL jacket there, soft shell. Very, very popular for this time of the year as it starts to get a little bit colder. Can't go wrong with a soft shell. Then we got a nice cotton orange overshirt there. Large, again, the large coming in with a decent overshirts in this drop. Then we got this lovely orange standard Stoney jumper. This is like the summer style jumper. As you can see, it's a little bit relaxed around the bottom, not too tight, which to be honest, I like that with my little bit of belly there. We like to hide it, don't we, boys? And this one's a size large as well. So yeah, really, really nice standard Stoney jumper. Lovely color. Wear a pair of black cargos and you're sorted. Now I ordered another one of these because it was really popular when I got one before. It's an R Gabardine workwear. It's got some very, very nice detailing on the zip and the buttons there. Not quite sure if you can see that. Very, very nice piece. And this one is in a size extra large. Okay, up next we have got this purple garment dyed crinkle reps Polartec technology. Nice smart with the collar there in this vibrant purple color. Really nice. It's not quite as thick as a Primaloft, a little bit thinner I think, but yeah, really, really nice. When you wear jumper on that in the winter or whatever, you're absolutely sorted. But that's a size large, that one. How's the stock going, boys? Are you enjoying it? Let me know in the comments what you think. We're on the last bag now, so we've got through nearly 40 items. Up next, we've got another soft shell, and this one is in orange color. And this one again is a 3XL. Now I've ordered so much 3XL, I hope the 3XL boys want to buy it. Got another one here. This one is in a size large, so we've got a little bit of something for everyone in this drop. Got a few black bits in there now. Had a lot of colors, haven't we? We've had a lot of colors this time. This is a medium black overshirt, lovely and simple. For the boys that want to wear black, I'm a big fan of black, so yeah, love that piece. Really, really nice. Gotta have a black overshirt in your collection. There we go, we got another black overshirt there. This one feels like it's gonna be a lot bigger, maybe 2XL. No, just extra large. This one's an extra large. Another black overshirt. So we've got loads of nice new black overshirts that have come in stock today. This one's a 2XL, I thought it was a 2XL. Yeah, 2XL standard black overshirt. And finally, last but not least, black membrana, 3LTC, no hood, nice and smart. And this one is a size extra, extra large. So that, boys, is the stock. Let me know in the comments which bit was your favorite. Let me know in the comments what sort of videos you want to see next. Do you want to see me doing review videos on certain pieces? Appreciate all of you watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit like on the video for me. It does wonders for the algorithm, boosts my video up, gets people seeing the content, all of that great stuff. So yeah, appreciate you all. See you next time. Peace out.